Multitech, Dr.Rangarajan, Dr.Sakunthala Engineering College. I am Professor Dr. M. Suganthy, Department of Electronics and Communication. I am going to present a topic addressing modes in microprocessor and microcontrollers. So let me say first, what is an addressing mode? Addressing mode is nothing but it is a way of specifying an operand of the instruction. That is how the operand is manipulated in the instruction. All instructions that access the data by use of one or more addressing modes. These are the various addressing modes in 8086 microprocessor. Register addressing mode, immediate addressing mode, direct addressing mode, register indirect addressing mode, base addressing mode, indexed addressing mode, base indexed addressing mode, string addressing mode, IO port addressing mode, relative addressing mode, implied addressing mode. Among the all addressing modes given here, the first 7 addressing modes are frequently we are used, and also the relative addressing mode, which can be combined with base relative or register relative addressing modes. Let us see the addressing modes one by one. Register addressing modes. Here the source and destination operands are registers. Another important point is the source and destination operand must be of same size. Let me say what is source and what is destination operand. So consider the example given here. Move AL, AH. In this example, AH is the source operand, AL is the destination operand. The second example, BX is the source operand, AX is the destination operand. The first example, both are 8-bit. That is, both the source and destination operand of same size. The second example, both are 16-bit. Both the operands are 16-bit wide. The next one, immediate addressing mode. In immediate addressing mode, either 8-bit or 16-bit data or value specified as the value is specified as the part of the instruction. So look at the example here. Move CH, 3AH. 3A is the 8-bit value which is specified as a part of the instruction. Here the second example, the C1A5 is the 16-bit value which is specified as the part of the instruction. Direct addressing mode. The memory location is specified in the instruction. That is the memory location which is given by a constant offset, which is given by a offset. That is, the offset is specified in the instruction which will be enclosed in the square bracket. That is the other easiest way to remember the direct addressing mode. Without square bracket means we can consider that as the immediate addressing mode. So here the offset value which will be used to form the physical address. The physical address is of 20-bit address. How the 20-bit address is calculated? The last, by the end of this session, I will explain how the physical address is calculated with the example. The physical address generation. Here the 1, 2, 3, 4 is the offset. which will be added with the starting address of the segment register. The segment register starting address will be multiplied by 10 or doing left shift by 4 times. This is the segment address now. That is, the segment address is either multiplied by 10 or it is left shifted by 4 times. We are taking that segment addresses. Along with that, here the 1, 2, 3, 4 is the offset address which will be added. We are getting the physical address of 20 bit. So in the direct addressing mode, the offset is specified in the section. Don't forget which will be within the square bracket. Next, register indirect addressing mode. Here, the base register BX or base pointer and the index register SI, source index or destination index is used for store a offset value, having the offset value. BP, BX, SA or DA having the offset value. Then as usual, this offset value will be added with the segment register. The segment register address, how it is calculated? The segment register, the starting address will be multiplied by 10. Along with it, the offset reside in the BX, BP or SA or DA will be added. Finally, the physical address is calculated. Then as per the example, in the first example, the content of CL will be moved to the physical address calculated by using the offset value present in BX plus the segment register address, which the segment address will be calculated, used with multiply by 10 times or left shift by 4 times, which will be added with the offset present in the BX register. The physical address is formed. In that physical address, we are moving the content of CL. The base addressing mode, here in the base addressing mode, either BP or BX is used. Along with that, the relative value 200. So BP contains the offset plus 200, then the segment register. Adding the segment register along with the BP plus 200 will give you the physical address. The content available in the particular physical address will be moved to AX. So the index register address, we are having the source index or destination index, and also like previous base index address segment, we are having the relative value. Here also we can have the relative displacement. The base index means base plus index. So base address is also there, and index register address is also there. Along with that, relative value, base index, relative base index. We can say this is also relative. Relative means this value is given either 4, 5, 50, whatever the value given here is the relative value. So offset, this is one offset. BX contain the offset and SA contain the offset. So BX offset, SA offset plus 1, 2, 3 for added together. And also finally, these three can be ordered with the segment register, which will form the physical address. The physical address contains the data that will be moved to AX register. Move string byte. This is move string word. These are the string address used to move the string with byte or word. IO port addressing is used for accessing the data from input and output. The relative addressing mode is nothing but JMP 0200. So JNC jump, no carry. It jump, if it carry is not there, it goes to the label given here. Start. Then implied addressing mode. Implied addressing mode, there is no need of no operands are specified, source operand or destination operands. By the instruction itself doing the operation, clear carry, set carry, like this. So this is the way example for calculating the physical address. This is the segment register address. This is the offset address. The segment register is multiplied by 10. Now the offset address is given here, which will be added together to form the physical address. 0 plus 1, 1. C plus 3, 12. Plus 3, F. The B plus 0 is B only. Then 3, A is 10, 13. So A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13. Then 8 plus 0 is 8. So in the next lecture, I will teach you more physical address generation with some more example. Thank you all.
இது ஸ்டாப் பண்ணீங்களா? ஸ்டாப் பண்ணாமலே பேக் போயிட்டீங்களா?
அதனால தான் வரலையா?